Composed by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. Previous class we also discussed sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti katha. And also how to free from all kinds of anartha nivritti. Anartha means, what do you mean anartha? Pardon? Undesirable things, which is not favorable for bhakti, that is called anartha. Especially even dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Moksha also our not ultimate goal. Hey, listen very good. Listen. Unwanted things, you should give up the unwanted things. Dharma means, what is the meaning of dharma? Dharma means religion. Artha means economical development. Dharma, artha. Kama means, what is the kama? Many kinds of material sensibilities. Dharma, artha, kama. Moksha means liberation. We discuss these things also. And how to step by step to develop our bhajan, adu shraddha, sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anarthanati, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhavan. Then we also discuss the sadhu sangha, then bhajana kriya. Two kinds of bhajana kriya we discuss. One is called nishtita bhajan and is called anishtita bhajan. Right here. Nishtita bhajan, anishtita bhajan, how many? 6. What is that? Left, right here. Come. Right in the blackboard. Unsteadiness, bhajana kriya, 6 types. Unsteadiness, bhajana kriya.
Should we write unsteady bhajana kriya or just
Unsteady bhajana kriya. First to write bhajana kriya. Two kinds of bhajana kriya. First write bhajana kriya. Apart from bhajan. Bhajana kriya, 2 types. One is called nishtita bhajan and is called anishtita bhajan. So anishtita bhajan kriya we also explain. How many? Follow. Hey, Jai Govinda. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? Any number you can tell. There may be 6. Oh, they were. If you take 5, 4, maybe not. 6. 6 types of anishtita bhajan. First, what is the first? Wala Portuguese. Utsamai. Then second, second how many? He is not listening. Listen. How many? Utsamai, ghanatarla, thick and thin. Sometimes bhajana kriya going up, sometimes going. Sometimes chanting holy name, sometimes not chanting, sometimes 6 rounds, sometimes 0 rounds. That is called ghanatarla. Then Buddha Vikalpa, yesterday I told. Buddha Vikalpa means indecision stage. This is very important. What is that? Hola. Sometimes he's thinking, I will perform bhajan in my brahmachari life, celebration life. Or sometimes thinking, I will enter household life. Sometimes he cannot take the decision. That is called indecision. Understand? Most of them you are the same. Sometimes I will marry nice husband, and sometimes no, very difficult. This is true. Sometimes thinking, oh, what do you write in this?
Sahamai Ganatarala Guru Vikata.
No, first you write, there is Nishtita Bhajan. How to write? How to write? To tell to you little bit the diagram. This is you, Bhajan. You understand?
Yes.
You write that? Nishtita, here it is, and Anishtita. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this. You understand?
On top Anishtita.
Top. Nishtita. Okay?
Tyagai.
So, what did he say? Buddha Vikalpa. Buddha Vikalpa means in decision stage. You cannot take the decision in your life. What you will do? Yeah, I will enter household life, marry, or I will become a renouncer. You have to take decision. But you cannot take the decision. So mind also are disturbed. Mind disturbed. If your mind disturbed, then you faith with Guru and Krishna. Then you, if you not mind fixed, then you faith in the Guru and Krishna. So for this you have very carefully. You have to take decision. What you will do? I will do bhajan and sadhan with my husband, wife, children, or I will take renunciation. You have to take. This is very important. Understand? If you are not taking it, then your mind will be disturbed. Mind sickness. This is called the sickness of the mind. So we take these things very carefully. These things. Okay, I'll do this. I'll do this. Because if your mind not one pointed, then very difficult. What is writing this?
Sahamai Ganatarala.
Buddha Vikalpa. So that is called indecision stage. Buddha Vikalpa. Understand? What do you understand? You take decision or not? Sometimes thinking no Radha, sometimes no Radha. This is Twaram. Yeah, good. No, you have to take decision. Mind fixed. This is the thing. So now coming this is called the Anishtita, Buddha Vikalpa. Then, what is the fifth? Niyamakshama. Niyam aksham niyamaksham. Niyamakshama means unable to maintain all the rules and regulations of the scripture. That is called niyama aksham. Aksham means unable to maintain the rules. That is called niyam aksham. Sometimes we are taking vow. From today, every day we chant 16th round. How many rounds? 16. But sometimes you are not chanting. Sometimes you are thinking every day I follow all the rules. These things. But sometimes you cannot do this. Maybe why not following the rules? Because maybe your sickness, maybe some reason coming. Maybe you are sick, then you are not doing this way. This way. Everything is, I will chant 16 rounds, but fever coming. But some special, some reason, duty, responsibility, they are not doing this way. So niyama aksham. Or fifth, that is called Vishaya Sanghara. Sanghara means struggling to enjoy the material sense gratification. Both are look like same but completely different. Do you understand? Later I will tell, just after you. Then Vishaya Sanghara. Sangharsha, Sangharsha, struggling to enjoy the material sense gratification. Sometimes thinking from today, I will not enjoy any kinds of material sense gratification. Understand? I will not, what is called, watch the TV. And watching TV, these material things or not? But if you watch the TV, Gurudev lecture, Harikatha, that is not the material. Sometimes you are watching, what is called, not good things. What good things not watching? You watching? You have computer?
Yes.
This is the problem. If you have no computer, no time.
Football sometimes.
Football sometimes. Football TV sometimes.
Movie films.
And
Series.
movies,
Series.
Mahabharata. If spiritual is saying that is good. If you are saying the Mahabharata, this the knowledge will come. Ramayana, Mahabharata, this is not bad. But sometimes bad, those are mundane people are doing, that is maybe that Siddhanta is not perfect. That is also some bad impression will come. Oh, I was this. Then that time was very difficult to change your mind. You can watch the movie. Which movie? Ramayana movie, Krishna movie. That movie is bona fide. Some movies, Krishna movies and that movie is not bona fide. Because mundane people, they also how to earning the money. What these are, they put the Ramayana Mahabharata different way, which is not written in the Ramayana Mahabharata. Understand? Many people also doing this. Understand? And modernized they are doing also. Indian movie different way, Western movie different way. Same Ramayana. Indian movie different way or Western movie or different way. Understand? Same Ramayana movie. Presented in front of the Western and are presented in the Indian different way. Why? Because Western people like these things. And Indian people like these things. What are these things? Indian people like that they should be covered with the cloth, or Western people they like another way. Very well. So for these are those who are making the movies this way. They presented the Western. They like, oh, very nice. Actually, this is something that's speculative. Understand? Speculative. Where is Sita Devi? Where is Draupadi? How she will be short cloth? It's not possible. But they putting this way. Then Western people, oh, this is good. So I am saying because some Ramayana, Mahabharata movies also bona fide, some also not bona fide. So for this regard, you have to check which Ramayana, Mahabharata movies are bona fide or not. Okay, now actually our subject is that the Vishaya Sanghara. That means sadhak, that time he is taking vow. From today, I will not enjoy any kinds of material sense gratification. Sanghara, struggling, Vishaya Sanghara. But sometimes he failed or sometimes successful. This is Then sixth stage, that is called Taranga. And one day I study, I told. Because if you little bit practice bhakti, bhakti Devi automatically give that many kinds of name, fame, reputation will come. And this is the nature. And that time sadhaka is thinking, I am great devotee. Actually, I am not great devotee. And this types of conception. Then he is dancing in the waves of name, fame, reputation. He has no tattva siddhanta, nothing. Understand? If anybody speak very sweet, eloquent words, oh, you think, oh, he is great devotee. Has he some tattva siddhanta or not? Nothing. So, but he is thinking, I am great devotee. Because everybody gives respect. One way. Or another thing is also everybody give respect to him if his bhakti is manifest. Bhakti manifest in your heart, also everybody give respect. Even bhakti not manifest, just to little bit and some glimpse of bhakti, bhakta-bhas, also everybody and charmed with you. You understand? What did he say? Olá.
Even if you don't have...
Olá,
just se vocês têm só pouquinho de Bhakti, nem Bhakti, só o cheiro de Bhakti, as pessoas vão ficar completamente encantadas por você.
Just you put tilak. Everybody touch your feet. Oh, he is Vaishnava. Especially in India, if you put the tilak, kanthi mala, take on japa mala. Think, oh, he is Vaishnava. As in, is he Vaishnava or not? Actually, he is not Vaishnava. Because he does not know any tattva siddhanta, nothing. Just he is putting tilak. Everybody thinking, oh, he is Swamiji. Arey, what Swamiji? Maybe Mayavadi Swamiji. Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahma. Understand? But if people are saying, oh, he is great sadhu. Is he great sadhu? No. Look this. And another things, if you have many tattva siddhanta, doing bhajan and sadhan, also everybody give respect to you. Look, bhakti, how is very powerful. This thing. Because this is the nature of bhakti, he will give these things. Bhakti will give everything to you. Take. Listen. But you have to control yourself. Yes. So this is called the Taranga Rangini, Anishtita Bhajan. So Anishtita Bhajan, how many stages? 6. Again I remind you, what is called? Utsahamai, Ghanatarala. Then Buddha Vikalpa. Actually very difficult to and what is called? To and now go out from the third stage. Buddha Vikalpa. Buddha Vikalpa means indecision stage. I will take renounce order, or I will become householder. Understand? This stage is not so easy. Very easy. But you have to take decision. No. I have this life. I will sacrifice my life to Guru and Krishna. Khanda khanda hoy jodi deha pran tathapi bodhane na chhari harinam. If my body cut in pieces, I will never give up Guru or never give up. Very easy to say. If I chastise to me, or even not chastise to you, just to give some suggestion to you. You say, oh, I lose faith in you. What to do? You cannot do this, no. He is my best friend for this regard. He gives me nice advice. If I give advice, hey, you don't angry to anyone. Eh? You give love and affection. Because, no, I don't like it. I don't give it. My heart is the teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jive Samman Dive Jani Krishna Adhistan. Just to think, Krishna resides in the heart of all the living entities. Give respect. Suni Chaiva Sapakacha Pandita Samadarshina. You learn Bhagavad Gita. Hare, Krishna resides in the heart of all the living entities. Try to understand. He did not give respect. Okay, no problem. I'll do it for now. You don't like someone, no problem. Okay. But you have to give respect. This is the book. You try to become Vaishnava. If you want to become Vaishnava, give respect to everyone. You don't think, you don't hankering. He did not give respect, so I did not give respect. This is actually the teaching to us. So Mahaprabhu taught to us. Tinadupi suni chena taroriva shaishnuna amanina manadena etanina. Actually, this is not your spontaneous coming, I believe. But you have to impose arup. So bhakti also again 3 types of bhakti. One is called arup siddha bhakti, sangha siddha bhakti, and sarva siddha bhakti. Right? This will make the line, this subject finish. The another part. 3 types of again bhakti. Arup siddha, small one. Arup siddha, sangha siddha, and sarup siddha. Arup means is what? Imposing. And spontaneous not coming from your heart. Give respect to others, not spontaneous coming from your heart. Understand? Because you don't like him. So for this regard, spontaneous not coming from your heart to give respect, but you have to impose. Understand? Hari bol. Dandavat Prabhu, dandavat. Understand? Imposing. That's called aro. Your first bhakti, that is called what bhakti? Arop siddha bhakti. Imposing. Understand? And don't you think everybody is my enemy. No one is your enemy. Imposing to everybody. But when you perfect way give respect to others, when you come in the stage of bhava and prema. This. Now in the beginning you give the imposing. Arup, basically. No, write this way. Arup siddha, sangha siddha, sarup siddha. Not really. Very powerful. Which way? How to write? This is another. Right. भैंस के आगे बेन बजावे भैंस पकड़ावे So what did I say? First, what kind of bhakti? Khalas. Arup siddha. Arup siddha means, what do you mean arup? Impose. Understand? You give respect. Arup siddha. Then second, that is called Sangha Siddha Bhakti. Eh? Sangha Siddha means with the association with sadhu, the good qualification will come in your heart. And if you associate with sadhu, good qualification will come. What is the good qualification? You always speak the truth, sattva, cleanliness, daya, gidda, and mercy to the others, compassion for the living entities. Good qualification will come in your heart. How many good qualifications you have? Many. How many? Zero. How do you know zero? No, you have good qualification. Not zero. Now you clean. Cleanliness. Chanting holy names. Some you have. Vaishnava group, how many good qualifications? 26. Understand? Kripalu, Akdudha, Sattva Samasar, Badanna, Kovi, Daksha, Mauni, Amani, Manada. Kripalu. Kripalu means he is very merciful to the others living. Kripalu. Akdudha, he never envious to others. Akdudha. Sattva, he speaks the truth. Saucha. Saucha means cleanliness. You have this qualification or not? You clean your hands,
Yes.
mouth, taking bath. So, you are saying, how possible to say you zero? Don't tell. Lie. And don't become Krishna. You have to become Ramachandra. Sometimes I am saying Ram Katha, Krishna Katha, compare. Ramchandra always he speak the truth. That is called Sattva Bhasanam. Ramchandra is always speak the truth. Ramchandra he did not tell any lie. Understand? What the meaning? Is like Arup Siddha is Portuguese, right? Back it. Imposes in the Portuguese. Ramchandra's Sattva Bhasanam. Or Krishna Asattva Bhasanam. Krishna, he always speak the lie. Understand? Ramachandra want another also qualification. Good qualification. That is not in Krishna. What is good qualification of Ramchandra? Ekapatni Pratadhari. He is one pointed with his one wife. How many wives of Ramchandra? One. And Krishna, how many wives? How many wives Krishna? 16,108. How many wives have you? Zero. I also say this. Ramchandra, Ekapatni Vratadhari. Ramchandra, he took vow. One pointed his one wife Sita Devi. Ragukula Riti Sadachariyai Prana Jai Baru Prachana. Ramchandra. Ramchandra this qualification. Sattva Bhasanam and Ekapatni Vratadhari. They said. Good. When we compare with Ram and Krishna, Ramchandra this qualification. Sattva Bhasanam. Sattva Bhasanam means he speaks the truth. Or Krishna opposite. He speaks the lie. He ate butter. Mother Jasoda cut him with a red handed. Hey, Krishna, why you are stealing butter? Why are you eating butter? Krishna says, Maiya main nahi makhan khayo. Maiyari main nahi makhan khayo. Maiyari main nahi makhan khayo. भोर भय मधुवन पठायो गायन के पीछे पीछे. Krishna says, Maya, how possible I eat butter from the house of Braj Gopis. Huh? Understand? Mayyari, मैं नहीं माखन खायो. Maya, I did not eat or steal butter from the house of Braj Gopis. Mother Jasoda caught his hand with red, you know. But still Krishna is saying, Mayyari, मैं नहीं माखन. And I did not steal. Why? Then Krishna says, actually my friend, he stole. I told, hey, my friend, you are stealing. So I told my mother. So my friend put this butter in my hand. But why would you hire your friend? In my room, in this room, you are no friend here. So Krishna saw, look, Krishna is showing his own shadow. But this is my friend. You understand? Yes. So Krishna asakta bhasanam. Actually, this is the Leela. Krishna is Bhagavan. But he tells a lie. This is called Leela. Asakta bhasanam. Ramchandra, he never tell. And he will be calm and quiet. Ramchandra, he will never angry with one. Lakshman sometimes angry. But Ramachandra, he never angry with him. Look, Ramachandra. Or Krishna, and understand? Mother just stopped to him, feeding her breast milk. Then Krishna became very angry, and Krishna broke the butter pot and wasted all the butter. Ramchandra. Understand? Then Saraswati, the one who realized his own transcendental constitutional form. So try to understand this. Ram and Krishna. So why is it? Because good qualification will come. First you try to become Ramachandra, good qualification. Ramachandra qualification. Then you understand Krishna. Krishna is doing Leela. Krishna is called Leela Purushottam. His Leela is very complicated, not able to understand. Understand? Ramachandra, he established all the good behavior, Shuddha, Sadachar, good behavior. For this regard, Vishwanath Chakravarti Father explained. First to follow the Ramachandra's line. Ekapatna Vratadhari, Shabda Bhasanam. Always speak the truth. Then you understand Krishna Leela is not. How possible? Krishna stole the cloth of the gopis. Ramchandra, he did not this thing. Ramchandra is very. But Ramchandra, another thing, he always try to kill the demons. One devotee asked to Ramchandra, "Here, Prabhu Ramchandra, you have two good qualifications, I find out." But what is that? Always speak the truth, Sattva-bhasanam. Or second, Ekapatni Vratadhari. But one thing, you always kill the demon. Ramchandra, he kills the demon. Why? Because Ramchandra is another thing, he is Kshatriya. Kshatriya, understand? For this regard, his qualification is always fighting. Kshatriya's gun. What gun? Rajaguna. Ramchandra is beyond of the gunas, he is Bhagavan. But he is acting this role as like Kshatriya. Kshatriya, understand? We cannot apply to Krishna. Ramchandra is Tamaguna or Rajaguna. But actual role, what is called? Acting the role of Kshatriya. Kshatriya. Ramachandra is doing this. Ramachandra, he killed many demons. And he always was taking vow. This thing. Or Krishna on good qualifications. What are the Krishna good qualifications? And Hatari Gati Dayak. If anybody killed by Lord Krishna, he will attain to abode of Lord. And Krishna, that is called Hatari Gati Dayak. Hatari Gati, he kills the demon and sent to go. Especially Putana Vada Lila. Deliverance of Putana. Ramchandra Lila we never heard it. Ramchandra, he killed many demons. Or Krishna also, he killed many demons. But when you compare, but Krishna killed Putana and sent to Golok and the maidservant of Mother Yashoda. Ahobakiyam stanakalakutam jighansapasadi tatu annam dhatrochitam kangva dayalum saranang brajema kangva dayalum saranang brajema. And ahobakiyam stanakalakutam jighansapasadi levere dhatruchitam tato annam kangva dayalum saranang brajema kangva dayalum saranam brajema. Kangva dayalu saranam brajema. Who does not want to take shelter and lotus feet of Krishna? Krishna is very merciful and wonderful. But how? The sister of Bakasura, that is called Putana. So the Aho Bakiyam. They are not in name, is the Putana. What is name? Aho Bakiyam. Bakiyam means the sister of Bakasura. Understand or not? Sanskrit? Yes. Aho Bakiyam Stanakalakutam Jighansapasadi Levere Tato Annam Dhatrujidam Kangba Dayalum Saranang Brajema Kangba Dayalum Saranam Brajema. The sister of Bakasura, Putana. Just see, disguised. The very nice, beautiful, handsome young lady. Actually, she was very ugly. She disguised, understand? Sometimes ladies, they are putting what is called
Makeup.
makeup, and very difficult to recognize. So this is told. One very ugly lady, and she's coming out from the beauty parlor. You cannot recognize is she same or not?
Another one.
Another one. And once one mother and his baby went to the picnic. Understand? Then mother she also very nicely paint her face. What is called?
Put makeup.
And baby put makeup. Baby is very happy. And then picnic is going on this way. Our baby is playing. After 10-15 minutes, heavy rain came. Then all her paint or everything
Wash away.
was away. Then baby coming back, mom, I want to leave. Then baby saying, mom saying, hey, my baby, come. I want to take you my lap. You are my mom? No, my mom was very nice, beautiful. You know me? No, I am your mom. Hey, you are not mom. You are witch. Ishachini. No. But my mom is very, very nice, beautiful. At that time, I came from the beauty parlor. Now what's I am saying the Putana is actual Putana. She was very ugly. Very ugly. But she with her mystic power, very nicely, what is it called? Makeup. This thing. Very nice face. Very difficult. Putting some, what is it called? Kajal. They do this also. Understand? eyebrow very nice this way, eyes going on this way, nose is fixed this way, and putting some also what's called reddish powder here. Who has reddish powder? Putting here reddish powder. What do you putting? I don't know.
Blush. Blush.
Huh?
It's called blush.
Blush. Okay, I do. And so much shining also.
Yes.
Understand? Light, when light reflected. So Putana, that time was not beauty parlor. That time Putana, she knew many mystic power. With her mystic power, she meant very nice, beautiful, handsome. Very nice, as like Lakshmi Devi. Understand? Taking one very nice, beautiful lotus in her hand, and very nice, beautiful woman activity, doing this way, looking this way.
Charming.
Very
Very charming.
Very charmed. She's thinking everybody useless. I am the best and beauty. And all they are ugly. She did not attention to anyone. So for this regard, and actual what she did, she put the poison and Calcutta Visa, very deadly serpent poison, put her breast, but covered with her cloth, very nice, beautiful silken cloth, and doing many ornaments. So for this regard, when she was going, no one stopped to her also. Everybody thinking, oh, maybe Lakshmi Devi, she descended from Vaikuntha Dham. Because she has come from Vaikuntha Dham to give blessing to son of Nanda Maharaj, Nanda Lala. So for this regard, no one stopped. Even the all Brajavasi, Braj Gopis, they become charmed and looking, oh, who is he coming? All the Gopis. They completely stunned. They're taking the water pot one by one, Braj Gopis. They stop. But one is stop, one cannot also stop, move. So what they are? Crush. You understand? Because they are completely intoxicated the beauty of Putana. And Putana, she did not look anyone. Just she was going. And no checking. No metal detector, nothing. No security guard. Because everybody must be, she has come from where? Vaikuntha Dham, Lakshmi Devi. She direct entered in the room of Krishna, baby Krishna, 6 days baby Krishna, laying on the bed. And Jogmaya, she also arranged this. Mother Jasoda or Rohini Devi was not in that the room. Jogmaya, she arranged this. Mother Jasoda or Rohini Devi, they were not in the room. And now Krishna is alone. So Putra is thinking, oh, this is the best opportunity. I have to kill baby Krishna. How? Feed my breast milk. Which is poison. Krishna is thinking, okay. And in my Vaman Dev avatar lila, I promise to you, I have to second your breast. But you have come to kill to me. But I am Bhagavan. You come to kill me. Okay. I have to second your breast. Okay. And Putana, by force, feed her breast milk to Krishna. Just Krishna, baby Krishna, only 6 days baby Krishna. Touch her breast, and then Putana's life here coming, and Putana cannot tolerate, and Putana about to die, and so much sweat coming, as like heart attack. Heart attack symptoms is what? Sweat coming, first sweat coming, and whole body start to shake. Understand? This is the symptom of heart. So in the same way, Putana's complete her enchanted. So much sweat coming. And she tried to throw baby Krishna from her nipples of breast, but not possible. So, but then she cannot tolerate so much pain coming. She thinking, what to do now? It is better I return back to Mathura. Then Kamsa and all his entourage flow to Krishna from my breast. For this regard, Putana, she gave up her mystic power and manifested her own origin form. What is origin form?
Like which? Gigantic.
Like which gigantic body. And she flew over the sky. Big storm came. And all Brajavasis think, why the storm coming? Then all they noticed, oh, one wishing. And Krishna also on her breast. Chest. Then all Brajavasis go. Mother Jasoda, when she heard, Mother Jasoda, she fainted. And anyhow, Rohini Devi pacified her. And then all Brajavasis and running where? Behind her. Actually, she is flying over the sky. Are all Brajavasi running underground, looking where the Putana is going. But before arrived in Mathura, one very nice, beautiful garden of Kamsa, that's called Hathras. And then Putana, she cannot tolerate the pain. So much pain. Because life here almost gone. Then she fell down. And all the trees completely are messed. The garden. Putana, this thing. Then Putana, big gigantic body. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. Very nice, beautiful description. In all Brajavasis, they big giant, as a big mountain. So Brajavasis, they notice Krishna, but Krishna is what? Completely safe. And Krishna is happy on the chest of Putana. Because all Brajavasis, they are very worried. So what happened? What happened to Krishna? But when they saw, oh, Krishna is very happy on the chest of Putana. Then they have to go because Putana's body, I told, as a big mountain. Then very quickly they brought some ladder, Ladder. They also first they to Krishna and offered to Rohini Devi. Then Rohini Devi she offered to Mother Jasoda. Now coming in this. Then all the Brajavasis think, oh, Putana, she died. Maybe again she will be wake up. Who knows? It is better her dead body cut in pieces and burn. Understand? Who knows? Snake. If snake will die, you should not believe. Maybe again will be alive. So it is better what you do. Burn the dead body of snake. So for this all Brajavasis decide. Burn her dead body. So they how to go there? Because I told her burn dead body as like gigantic. They cut in pieces. Understand? Many pieces. And they put fire. But something is happening. When they put fire, Putana's dead body, whole Braj completely what? Sweet smell coming as like what is called? Agarbatti. Incense. Look, whole Braj, sweet smell coming. How possible? She was very ugly. Her body is very bad smelly body. If you eat anything, that kind of smell coming. If you eat the onion, garlic, what smell coming from your body? Onion, garlic. Bad smell. Putana, she drank the blood of the baby. Putana, balaghatini, rudhirasana. Actually, Putana's body is very ugly and also bad smell. But when the Brajavasi put her dead body, there is sweet smell coming. And at the smell of incense. Well, how possible? Because Krishna's leaves and leaves of Amrit touch her body. First this regard her body, sweet smell coming. But I told Krishna, when Krishna killed Putana, But Putana's soul went in Golok. And she becomes the maid servant of Mother Yashoda. Look it. So saying, Tatu Annang Dhatru Chito Goting Tatu Annang. Dhatru Chito Goti. Dhatru Chito Goti means the maid servant of Mother Yashoda. By the performing bhajan and sadhana, no one attained this highest place. Kormi, Gyani, Yogis, they perform hard studies how to get the liberation, mukti. But Putana, she attained beyond of liberation. Beyond of Vaikuntha, beyond of Ajudha, beyond of Dwarka, beyond of Mathura. She attained in her Golok, but not Vrindavan. Golok means outside of the Vrindavan, that is the boundary of Vrindavan. You know? That's for the Golok. Their mother Yashoda is there. And Brajavasi was. So for this Krishna, how is very marvelous. Why I am comparing? You forget. Because I told Krishna is called Hatari Gatidaya. One who killed by Lord Krishna, he will get the liberation. But Putana is special. But why Putana? She did get these types of liberation. Actually, Putana in her previous life, she was the daughter of what is the daughter? Bali Maharaj. Bali Baman Katha. Understand? When Vamandev Bhagavan came in the fire sacrifice of Bali Maharaj, and he asked, Vamandev asked, I am Brahman boy, give some 3 steps land. 3 pathways. And when Bali Maharaj's daughter Ratnavali, she saw Vamandev Bhagavan, very small baby, very delicious, very attractive. Then she was Ratnavali, she thinking, oh, very nice baby. Is this baby my son? I will feed my breast. Bancha Kalpataru Bhagavan. Vamandev that time told, okay, I will feed for you. I will shake your breast. Okay. Then when Vamandev Bhagavan took all his father's, when Vamandev took Ratnavali's father's property, Bali Maharaj's property, then she became very angry. Oh, he is a big cheater. He took my father's everything, showing the small foot, and now took all these things. Big cheater. So I will kill to him and feed my breast mixed with the poison. Then Vamandev Bhagavan also told, okay, you cannot kill to me, but I have to fulfill it. Look there. So now coming in this actual Putana, in previous life she was, what she was? Ratnavali, daughter of Bali Maharaj. And who is Bali Maharaj? In the dynasty of Prahlad Maharaj. Understand? Hiranyakashipu's son, Prahlad. Prahlad's son, Virochan. Virochan's son, Bali Maharaj. And now Bali Maharaj's daughter, Ratnavali. And in the incarnation of Lord Nrsimhadev, he gave blessing to Prahlad. Hey Prahlad, in your dynasty, if any will come, I will give blessing. Look this. Blessing delivered to me. You are demon or devotee, no problem. Look this. So in this way related, because Lord Nrsimhadev gave blessing to Prahlad. Other demon no relation with any devotee. But Ratnavali, she has a relationship with Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad dynasty. This is Lord. What is this thing? If you have any connection with the pure devotee, then Lord will very easy to give blessing. Huh? Understand this thing? Relationship very. For this regard, Krishna sent him, sent her in Golok and met her mother Yashoda. Krishna, he killed other demons but did not give this thing. Only Putana, because Putana, she has relationship with Prahlad Maharaj. Look this thing. This is okay. So many people say, I have no relationship with any devotee. My father is not devotee. My grandfather is not devotee. My great-grandfather is not devotee. You the whole church. So how will you receive this mercy of Lord? Maybe a question will come now.
Yes.
That in this subject or Shastra saying, don't worry. You make relationship with Guru. He is very close to you. Then you will deliver from this and attain to highest, more than Putana's position. Putana, she became the maid son of Maharaj in only Golok. But if you make relationship with Guru, bona fide Guru, 100% guarantee, you will become where? Vrindavan. Understand this? Follow Vrindavan here. I have to go, no? Go to man. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Dá com os fios ali, ó. Hã? Ah, desculpa. Agora vai ser querer.
Não tava gravando? Não? Não sei.
Tem uma foto do teu pai.
Não, tira não.
Tirar e
Meus
postar-
alunos faziam
Tirar e
isso.
postar no Facebook.
Hã?
Tirar e postar no Facebook.
Aí põe uma. Vai.
Mais fácil fotografar.
Meus alunos faziam assim. Aí o pessoal não para.
Eu